Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to make the two-wheel drive robot race. So let us see the parts required. We need two small C-bar, one medium plate, one small L-bar, two metal shaft, three wheels and a motor and a remote box. So let us start the assembly now. First of all, we will take a medium plate and two small C-bar. We will take the C-bar in this way and place the medium plate on the C-bar and fix it with the help of nut and bolt. Insert two bolts, one at the first hole and one at the last hole of the medium plate, and fix the bolt using the nuts. Similarly, we will attach the other C-bar to the medium plate in the same way. Now we will take two wheels. So first of all, we will take a metal shaft and insert it through the last hole of the C-bar. Then we will take the wheel and insert it through the metal shaft. Now to fix the wheel, we will use an axle lock. So similarly, we will connect the other wheel on this to this C-bar. Now we will take a small L-bar and attach it to the medium plate. Place the small L-bar below under the medium plate in this way. It should be attached to the middle row of the medium plate and then fix it with the help of nut and bolt. Insert one bolt here, another bolt here and fix the bolts with the nuts. We have attached the small L-bar. Now we will attach a motor to the small L-bar. So first we will remove the screws of the motors. Insert the shaft of the motor to the first hole of the L-bar in this way and fix the motor . Now take another wheel and insert the wheel through the shaft of the motor and fix it with the help of an axle lock. So our assembly is completed. Now we will check the output. We will attach the motor to one of the remote box cable and now we will check the output. So when I will press the button, it's moving forward. When I press the button backward, it's moving backward. Thank you.